Tiffany's first summer pool. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah, but I'm so tired because it's 9 a.m.
It's okay, because we're opening the summer pool, so we have to be the earliest. So yeah.
Very good vlogger material. Me not. Jasmine.
Look, Bam.
Jasmine. We're heading to Jasmine's house.
Yeah. Hey gang. We're the slowest ones.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm wearing heels and my dress is like 夾住我個大髀行路。
The else of them. But yeah. Yay! We're on our way.
耶，好熱啊，真係行唔到路啊。
Be happy.
Okay, I am very happy.
Yay!
President boy. And I am matching with Jasmine. Yeah, I'm saying hi.
Guys, who's getting
我而家等緊
No, we're ready to
表演。I'm literally taking baby steps because I can't walk. 好啦，真係開始啦。咁就完成咗今年最尾一個表演啦。
Thunderbirds are go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
After that, we took some flowers from the entrance. This is Simu, also from the Elves. So we're now queuing for the cats. See the pretty flower? And Jasmine has her flower right in front of her chest. Okay, so we finally got on the carousel. I can't sit properly because of my dress. It's so tight around my thighs. Sarah! There's a video. Hi! Why is it not moving? I can't believe I'm running a carousel at Imperial. It's actually so fun. We went to play this washing machine thing, which looks so scary because people are screaming. It's finally my turn and the ride is actually quite fun, although I scream so loud. Look for henna workshop if it's legit. So apparently no one is inside to help you, so I just designed this myself with the help of Pinterest. After that, I went to queue for the photo booth. This is my friend Winnie who let me cut the line. I feel so guilty because I kept dragging my friends in. This is Nanya and this is Yao Yao. I even dragged the elves to come. Look at Galway. We queued for more than an hour. After that, we went to take some photos at the red carpet, and of course, I took some solo pics as well. You can tell I don't know how to pose. I need help. We're getting churros. Jasmine decided to treat me churros because I helped the elves to queue for a whole hour for the photo booth. Thanks, Jasmine. 多謝晒你嘅churros. And then I met some of my other friends from my course. My cousin friends. And Jacob! Charlie! We're queuing for this thing again. I mean, I am, because it's my second time.
Oh, you've already been?
Yeah, I think we've been queuing for like,
I would say an hour actually.
I cut the line.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's
She's too number cute. Outfit check of Alisa.
Skirt from ASOS, top from H&M, this from Adax.
Oh,
Vintage, vintage, vintage.
slay! Outfit check by Charlie.
This is a shirt I bought 6 months. This was a suit I bought from Rock and I haven't worn it since. I bought it, but I didn't wear it.
Wear it. It comes outfit check.
I got the shirt from Sixth Form. Trousers Primary. Jeans. Christmas present. I'm wearing
I changed into sneakers because I can't anymore. They're glowing! Oh my god! Oh my god! And then we went to silent disco. It was my first time. I literally thought it's gonna be so awkward, like everyone in their headphones and just moving around. But we actually had so much fun. It's getting dark and all the lights are out. So pretty. We are just sitting on the grass and waiting for the firework. In the meantime, they're playing the English version of Sup Yi Sup. It's supposed to be like a drinking game. And then it's the moment we've all been waiting for.
Ooh.